Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Organic Curves was born on March 31st in Panama City, Panama. Her astrological sign is Aries. She was born and raised in Panama. Organic Curves stands 5 feet 6 inches tall or 167 centimeters. She has a beautiful dark brown hair and brown eyes color. Marital status, unknown, nationality, Panamanian. She is based in New York City, New York, United States. Organic Curves is a mother of one. She moved to New York City at the age of 18 to attend Brooklyn College for her Bachelor of Arts in Film Production. She comes from a long line of artists and decided to pursue her passion for the arts by also attending Empire Beauty School, where she received her cosmetology license. Organic Curves has turned her craft, creating and shaping healthy, stunning eyebrows, into a successful business in a matter of years. She is one of the top eyebrow and microblading specialists in her field and works on notable celebrities such as Rochelle Aites, Nicole Ari Parker and Poppy Montgomery.